It's called Flarp.
What?
Flarp. It says it's called the farting noise putty. Well, it doesn't say farting, but I'm assuming you make farting noises with it. Yeah, kind of like that, I guess. Take it out of the bucket. Let's see what it is. Let's show everyone. It says Flarp. Want me to take it out for you?
Yeah.
Here, okay, you vlog then. You vlog Daddy. Hang on to it.
Hey, vlog, Daddy.
Okay, you vlog Daddy. Say hi, Daddy. Your fingers are in the way.
Hi, Daddy.
There you go.
What's going on, Ryder?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Go vlog the dogs.
What are you doing?
Vlog cam.
Okay. Now get it. Now Yoda. I mean, Westy and Zoda. Is that it?
Hi.
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 Hi, Ryder.
Hi.
You're so good at that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Is he going to show Marcus? Was his name even Marcus? What? Gidget! Gidget! Can you come and bring that here, Ryder? Oh, the dogs are wrapped. Making noises? Yeah. What can you make with it?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Can you make something on the counter here? Right here. Make something on the counter. Cool. What are you going to make?
This.
It is so nice out here.
This game's so hot.
It is hot. Those puppies are playing. Gidget is supposed to be going to look for a new home. Ryder, put it over here. Let me see. She is allowed to go today. Yesterday. But she's still, we're not just going to sell her to the first person we see, so. Ryder, let me play with it. Come here. Can you build something?
Like that. The flowing thing.
Cool. What else can you make?
It's a pine thing.
Maybe you could wrap it around a pine cone.
Hundred it. Hi.
What are you doing?
Playing with this.
Oh, hi, Gidget. I have puppies. Look at her little face. She's so cute. I'm going to miss her so much. Sure. I'm going to miss her so much. I'm going to miss her so much.
But we're keeping her.
No, we're not, Ryder. We have to sell her. We have to sell her. We can't keep everybody. We already have a zoo here, remember? Remember?
Hey.
Yeah. Ooh, that's some slime on me.
Yeah.
I don't know why I'm wearing a black. Here's Zizi. Zelda. Oh, what has she got? So, what do you have, Gidget? The last couple of days have been very stressful. I have not been feeling great. I have diverticulitis and colitis, and I've been having attacks. I've been flare free for like 4 months, I think, 4 or 5 months, and I had a really, really bad attack when we were out and about a couple days ago, and then it didn't go away. So I spent all day yesterday in bed, like literally went to bed at 7 o'clock the night it was happening. So Wednesday night, Tuesday night, I don't even know what today is. Maybe it was Tuesday night or Monday night, probably Tuesday night, and then I slept all day Wednesday. Today's Thursday, so yeah. So it's been, I didn't do anything whatsoever. So I didn't vlog, we didn't do anything. I mean, like Ryder and Mick did stuff. They went to the library, they brought back the books, they brought back the games, they did some play outside, but I stayed in bed the whole entire day. So that's a nice thing about him being able to be flexible with his job, because he can help out if I'm not feeling good, which is usually all the time. Again, look at her. Look at how cute she is. She is adorable. I just love her so much, and I don't know what I'm going to do because we are selling her. She's got to go to her forever home. Yes, her forever home. Yeah, and I'm going to miss her so much, and I don't know what we're going to do without her. Right? Right, Gidget? We need a bath. She needs a bath. She thinks like puppy. Anyways, Ryder, can you come here? Can you come here for a sec? Can you see him back there? What do you have to say?
Bye.
And your tooth's gonna fall out, right? Want to show them? It's so wiggly and jiggly. It's probably gonna be tonight. Second one. It's gonna be tonight because we're gonna pull it, right, Ryder?
Bye.
Me and Daddy, or Daddy is. Okay, can you say goodbye?
Bye.
You heard him. Bye. Don't forget to.
Let's go.
Do you know what we're doing tomorrow?
I don't know.
We have a play group to go to tomorrow in the morning, and then the afternoon I have a different play group thingy for homeschooling people. I'm not going to vlog there though because it's my first time going, so I'm not going to vlog. That's at 1:30. Oops, sorry. It's at 1:30, and then Saturday. What are we doing Saturday, Ryder?
I don't know.
Remember? Who are we going to go meet? Who do we have tickets to go meet?
Paw Patrol?
Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol! Paw Patrol! On the double! We're gonna go see Rubble and Sky and Zuma and Chase and who else? That's gonna be so much fun.
You not say Marshall.
And Marshall. I don't know who the pup. I don't know. So that is Saturday. Sunday, I do not know. We don't have any plans Sunday. Monday, I think I'm going to go back to the early years on Monday. Will that be fun?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And then I don't know what we're going to do the rest of the week. I don't really have any plans set out yet. We will see. All right, friends. Hopefully you're having a good weekend whenever you see this, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Me?
Like, watch. Listen really careful. Let go for a second. Here, did you hear it?
Yeah.
It's making tooting noises.
It's a...
You did it. I get it now. We are just silly.
Look out!
No, it only does it when it's in that container. That's the problem. See? See?
I'm gonna get out.
Now do it. Now make the noise. Ah! Now make it. Ah! Excuse you, Ryder. Oh my goodness! Did you toot?
No.
You tooted.
It's not.
Who?
That tooted.
It did?
Yeah.
Ah! I get it now.
Here. Can you try it through the puppies?
Here. Oh, that made a big one.
That's a big. That's
Now I'm just going to sit here and play with it all day.
Hey, you're dragging Yoda.
Oh.
I love to drag Yoda.
Yoda, you're getting dragged by your